Daryl.
Hey.
Another day. So, fuck you say?
Sup?
Sups. Nice new car, Daryl.
Thanks, man.
Looks good.
Yo.
Anyway, auto lights have arrived, so we're literally gonna install them, wash the car, I don't know, some other stuff. So what this comes with, if it's gonna focus, obviously the auto light side of things, then it's got a light sensor which you put on the dash or wherever you want it. So before I have it down there, sometimes I have it up there, obviously I got a sunstroke now so I can't have it up there, so it's gonna have to be either hidden along this seam or down at the bottom. We'll see what looks best. But what I've heard to take this out is you turn, push, turn, and then pull back and it comes out or some shit. Well, that's obviously wrong, isn't it? So I've had enough of that. I'll figure that out and I'll show you what to do. Mine was being an absolute fucking ass piece. Yeah, took it out in the end. I took the side piece off and like pushed it while I pulled it out. So all you have to do is push, flatten out. You push it into the middle like that, but you push it down, like, see how that's flush? So push it, then into the middle, then pull it out. But it kept like skipping out. I'm guessing it moved, so it's little teeth there. But anyway, it's out. Then you got like just a clippy beside, push those like that. Then we swap that for the new module. Look, exactly the same train. Fucking stupid shit trains. And now we got the auto with the sensor. So literally plug. Well, to cut that off a minute. Let me go get a knife. Right, there you go. Oh lord, I've got that. So the sensor. Oh fuck me, the sensor is quite a long cable. So what we want to do is we want to feed the sensor through there, then plug them in. I can't do it with one hand, so yeah, plug them in and feed the sensor through there. There you go. There's through that. And I pulled the cable through here and then push them in. And come back out, nice, locked into place until you do the little push down thing. But anyway, so I need to get that sensor over to there and then we shall test out if it works. Auto lights, this wire here goes around here, around that trim and down to, and I can't see it through the camera. Where the fuck is it? It's here. Oh yeah, you can just about see it there. OEM Plus Pro. So put this shit back on and we are good in the hoods. So now we have to test if it works. Where are my keys? Pocket. Right, so off. Are they actually off? Or are they daytime runner lights? Daytime runners I hate. Auto. So let's see if they switch. They should switch to turn them off after a certain amount of seconds, I believe. Which this is not doing. So far. So far so bad. Let me put them on the side lights a minute then. Side lights. Okay. What the fuck?
I keep a G-ho. All my young niggas out here riding for the C-no. Couple pounds coming, man, we out here going beast mode. Everybody talking, girl, you know this how the streets go. Niggas plotting on me cause they see me fly Z.